The entire KTM family is deeply saddened by the terrible news that MX2 factory racer René Hofer, along with 2 of his friends, has passed away following a skiing incident in Austria. KTM would like to send love and heartfelt condolences to René's family, friends, his team, along with the entire motocross community during this incredibly difficult time. René, a multi-time junior champion and GP winner with a bright future and Grand Prix ahead of him, will be remembered not only for his talent on the track, but also for his approachable, fun-loving, and friendly personality, along with his ever-present smile. Tragically, shortly after midday on December 4, 2021, during an alpine skiing trip with 10 friends, the 19-year-old Austrian and 7 others in his group was caught by an avalanche. René and 2 of his friends did not survive the incident. René will be greatly missed by everyone in the KTM family. Ride on peacefully, René. You will be missed immeasurably.